Hi, my name is Millie and I purchased the Turboant X7 Max and today I will be unboxing it. This is my first scooter and it's an electric scooter, so I'm very excited about riding it. More excited about opening it right now, and I'll get to it in a minute. Okay, so I'm about to open it up and then lay it down. Oh, this is nice. Lay it down. Ooh, look at this beauty. Okay, these are the items that came with it. This is the manual. The key and Allerton wrench. Actually, two keys. The handlebars and the charger. Oh, okay. There you go. Ba-boom. There you go. Left for left and right for right. Oop. Don't fool me like that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this is nice. Very nice. It is very sturdy. Very sturdy. These are the keys. I like that. Oh, that's to remove the battery, of course. Let me see. Very simple. Very simple. I love it. Comes out so easy. And I'm gonna put it back in. Put it back. Nice. Very good. I love it already. I'm gonna take off this label. This one. Okay. Put that there. And the best way to do that is to use the same thing you took off and do this, and it'll take everything off. See? If you leave that there, it's gonna pick up anything it could pick up. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, connect it to the wall first. Where are you? There's only one way to go. Okay, like that. To charge. That's one way to charge it, but the best way to charge it is this way. Plug it into the wall first, and then connect it. The light is red, so I'm gonna leave it charged for quite a few hours. Okay, hi everyone. I got my safety gear on because I'm about to ride a scooter, and of course safety is first. I'm totally protected from head to toe pretty much, and I've never actually rode a scooter at all, let alone an e-scooter, so I'm very excited. I'm kind of nervous, so you guys will see when I start riding, and hopefully wish for the best. I'm wishing for the best. Brakes. Here's the bell for safety. Here's the throttle. Push it down. Here's the starter to start the scooter. And this is for the mode and the lights, the settings. Okay. Now I'm going to show you guys how to turn it on and run some features. Okay. Hold it until the screen goes on. Screen is on, and I want to show you the lights. These are the headlights, of course. When you press the brakes, the headlights go on. You let go, it doesn't go on. But if you want to leave your lights on for safety reasons, you go up here, you press your settings. It'll turn on the headlights. And it'll also turn on, leave the rear lights on. But when you hit the brakes, of course, it'll flicker, which is awesome. So for safety reasons, you can leave the lights on so they can see you at night, and if people will know, cars will know that there's someone in front of them. So for safety reasons, it's awesome. Okay, one very important thing I gotta say, I have back problems, lower and upper back problems. Sometimes I can't get out of bed. It's hard for me to get around. I walk one block, half a block, and my back is already feeling numb, so it's hard for me to get around. That's why I brought the scooter. So that's gonna be my mobility, for me to be able to get several blocks away and hopefully not suffer any pain the way I've been suffering. Right now I can feel my back aching me, so I'm hoping this will work for me. I will let you guys know. Okay, hold on a second. Let me see something. No, wait up. I'm scared. Okay. Wait up. Let me get out of this. Hold on. This is awesome. Oh my God. I'm going slow because I want to get used to it. Oh my God, this is awesome. It feels awesome. I love it. Oh my gosh. This is insane. I'm trying, but I'll get it. Full throttle. I'm getting into the speed. So I got the right turns mastered pretty much. But the left turns I'm practicing a lot right now. Oh, the cruise control makes it feel so much better. Ooh. I did it. I stopped fully on. I stopped fully. I'm so happy right now. I was so scared to use the brakes. I was told to bend down a little bit, which is perfect. The cruise control is awesome. On slow mode. I haven't got to medium mode yet. I'm on slow mode, and I'm gonna keep practicing on that. When I felt my calmness feeling better as I gain control over the scooter, so I'm really happy about that. Oh my God, it's so awesome. I love it. It's so smooth. This thing is smooth, very smooth. If you're gonna get a scooter, this is the one. It's awesome. The smoothness, I hit a bump and it's like it has shock controls, shock absorbers or something on it because it feels so awesome. This is how I'm gonna get far. It's gonna take me farther than I've gone before because I can't get far. I was on slow mode. Now I'm going to the second mode, medium mode now. So, there it is. And that's what I'm gonna be doing. Okay. Okay, here I go. Okay, I'm gonna get used to it. Oh, it's much faster. Oh, and I don't even have it full yet. Oh my God, it takes off. I will keep trying. Holy. I'm full throttle. I'm medium. Oh, this is. Okay, here I go. Here I go. Woo! This is fast. Woo! I love it. Okay, I'm slowing it down a bit. Slowing it down. Oh, I love the way it stops. I did a turn that I was so scared of doing. Oh my goodness. I never thought I was gonna do it. I was so scared of getting on this thing, but the comfort is so awesome. Once I get used to something, I'm good. But this is my first day, so I think I did pretty good for my first day. I haven't fell. I love the scooter. Thank you, Turboant. That's good. Okay, I was on medium. Now I'm putting it on the highest level. There it is. And there I will go. Okay. I have to let it stop pretty much slowly because the brakes are so strong. You're gonna stop. You're gonna stop really good. Just be careful. You have to bend yourself down if you're going really fast and you're planning to hit those brakes at a fast, because you have to hit it. Bend down. This scooter is so awesome to ride. I was told that once I rode this scooter, I would have the biggest smile on my face. I am so happy right now. My insides are smiling right now. I had so much fun. I'm kind of winded. It's my first time and I haven't been out in a while. I don't feel much pain in my back actually. My face is kind of moving slow because I'm cold. But this was so great. I enjoyed it very much. The person that recommended to me, thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. And I love you so much. But you guys, if you order this Turboant X7 Max, you're gonna love it. You're actually gonna love it. It's so smooth. You saw the ride, and that's my first time riding ever, let alone an e-bike. I never rode a scooter at all, and I rode this the first time and I got it. No, and I'm a chicken. I am the biggest coward. You have to push me to get me to do things, kind of thing. It's scary things for me. So thank you to the person that pushed me into getting it and pushed me into telling me go ride it. So I'm very happy right now. I'm so happy I can't stop talking. Thank you. Gosh. I made my turn on the left side and I'm so happy. So happy. Bend down a little bit. I keep forgetting to bend down, to arch a little bit. I'm getting it. Oh my God, it's good. When I first started, my heart was beating out of my chest because, of course, like I said before, I'm a chicken. But once you get on, you feel your body calming down. The nervousness just starts going away. And I normally feel it in my feet. It's weird. I feel it in my chest, but then I feel the calmness coming from my feet up. Whew. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the specs. I'm going to read them off my phone because I don't know them by heart. Okay, it has a... Hold on a second, people. Hold on a second. It has 10-inch numeric tires. 10-inch numeric tires. It has a 10 AH detachable battery. 350-watt brushless motor. Stem battery lock, which is the lock right here. The capacity weight is 275 pounds, load capacity. The range is 32 miles, maximum range. 20 mile per hour maximum speed. 3-second quick folding, and 15% climb capacity. So those are the specs for the X7 Max Turboant scooter, which is awesome. Everything about it is awesome. So that's it. And don't forget safety first, everyone. Safety, safety, safety. I just got these brand new things. My helmet and everything. If everything is comfortable, it's not gonna make you feel uncomfortable in any way. So you're gonna feel good. And I enjoyed my ride. Turboant, you did a good job. Thank you so much. This scooter is awesome, especially for someone like me. I never thought I would do it, but I did it. So thank you. So it's great. It's great. Everything about it is great. So if you're gonna invest in a scooter, I suggest this one. Trust me, this is my first scooter, but from what I read, it's an awesome scooter, and I did my research. So it's not like I just bought it out of nowhere. I did my research. I watched many videos, and this is the one I came to choose because I thought it was awesome. Everything about it was awesome. Everything I read was awesome. So I made my decision, and ta-da, I got it. Thank you, y'all. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And comment about anything. Anything that pops up in your head, please comment. I'll be happy to answer any questions. And if you purchased the scooter, let me know what you thought about yours. This is my first time riding mine, so I would like to know what others are thinking about theirs, or if you're planning to purchase one. let me know also. I would like to know. So thank you guys. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.